Hello, hi, welcome to the session. Myself, Dr. P. Shivaranjani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, handling multimedia system for computer science for computer application student. So today we'll discuss about font editing and design tools. So before getting into font editing and design tools, we'll see what is meant by multimedia. Multimedia is nothing but a rich media, which is the combination of a text, audio, video, images, and animation. Multimedia system find it in variety of applications in different areas such as education and entertainment and game playing also. Some of the categories of your multimedia. The multimedia can be either linear or non-linear. So these are the two categories of multimedia systems. So next is the multimedia system building blocks. That is the major requirements that has been required for the multimedia system, which is nothing but your audio. So audio is nothing but your content, okay? That is nothing but your MP3 thing is called as an audio, and images is nothing but the image format or the pictures. And you should also need animations. Animation is nothing but making some kind of effects to the particular text or to the particular image. And next is your video. Video is nothing but the content or the footage, so which will depict the picture of the particular event. The next one is your text. So text is nothing but the one which will contain fonts, that is nothing but an alphanumerical characters, so which will help you to design your multimedia system. So these are the major component that has been required for the multimedia systems. The next is about stages of your multimedia applications. So the stages includes planning and costing. Next one is your design and production. The next stage is test and delivery. So these are the three stages of your multimedia system. So the planning and cost includes the kind of planning which is being done based upon the requirement. So basically first we'll collect the basic requirement of the user or the customer. Then we'll plan accordingly the cost. We'll get the cost that has been provided for the particular animation effect. After that we'll be designing it and produce the particular product to the customer. And after that this is the third step. So after that we'll be testing the particular product whether it is satisfied according to the need of the user or the customer. Then finally we'll deliver the particular product. So these are the three stages of your multimedia system. So next one is your multimedia tools. So this will help you to specify the message sharing. So this will help you or allow the readers and the viewers to internalize the content more fully and also encourage actions. So you'll also have the content as well as you'll also adopt some kind of action to the particular images. So which includes website, software programming and social media. So the next is some of the tools that has been required for your multimedia systems. The first one is your video tools. The second one is your photo. Third one is your presentation. Next is your audio tools. Audio tools is nothing but your wave tools, WAMP, gold waves. So this will belongs to the category of your audio tools. The next one is your multimedia authorizing tools, which includes Flash. The next one is your graphic tools, so which provides the concept of your Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. So these are some of the tools which will helpful for the designing your multimedia systems. So the next one is the essential tools which has been required for your multimedia system is photo editing. That is, by the photo editing can be done by the help of your Photoshop, and the web designing will make use of the concept called as a dream viewer, and you make use of video for video, you'll make use of Final Cut or Adobe Premiere. So this will help you for video cutting process and editing process and all. And the next one is for audio, you'll make use of Pro Tools or Adobe Auditions. So this will help you to provide wave images or the sound images. The next one is your slideshows. So this includes your sound slides. So the slides will have the voice for the particular slide. And next one is your interactive media. For interactive media, we'll make use of Flash. This has been done for the purpose of animations. And next one is your word processing, so which includes your Microsoft Office. So for this are some of the essential tools which will helpful for building your multimedia systems. So next is your font editing and design tools. Font editing and design tools are used to create a customized font, which will helpful an multimedia developer to communicate his idea or his graphical feelings. Different typefaces can be created. To create a special symbols, use it in an entire text for the multimedia text. The next one is the following are the list of the softwares that has been used for editing and creating a font. So the first one is your Fontographer. So this is the online software tools which has been available for graphics edition and all. So here you can add some kind of font editing text also to the particular multimedia system. The next one is your FontMonger. This is also a font software which will help you to build your font editing tools. The next one is Cool 3D Text. So this is the software which will helpful to make some kind of three-dimensional view of your text. So the next one is image editing, which will help you to create an images. And a bitmap is a single information matrix describing the individual dots that are the smallest element of the resolutions on the computer screens or other display or printing devices. In addition, we can also make use of a color mode. The color is created by the combination of colored light sources. The three primary colors are used, such as red, green and blue. So these are some of the software which has been used for image editing. That is Corel Draw or MS Paint can be used for image editing process. Next one, some of the audio editing task, which includes the following things. That is your multiple task, trimming, splicing and assembling, volume adjustment, format conversions, equalizations. So these are some of the form editing process which has been included in audio editing process. So the next is the font editing and design tools allows you to create your own fonts by the help of there are many different types of tools which have been available for Macintosh as well as for Windows. For Macintosh, we can make use of ResEdit software. And for Macromedia, that is for your Windows, you can use the Fontographer, so which will help you to create the PostScript, TrueType and bitmap fonts. For Map, PB, Sun includes the freehand drawing tools also, and there are also some kind of 3D programs, so which includes a software such as a Cool 3D and Hot Text, so which will help you to create special effects. So next one is some of the this is the diagrammatic representation of your Fontographer from the Macintosh. So by the help of your software, you can able to create a Fontographer images. So then So by the help of this fontographer, you can able to draw the font of the user need. So this diagram will explain how the fontographer will work it out. So here by using this software, you can able to create the fonts of your own type with the particular ID, and you can also set the size of the particular ID. You can also have you can change, you can adjust the bitmap to the matching outlines. You can provide different types of encapsulated PostScript, the font type which you are needed, and you can design your own font by the help of your fontographer. So next one is editing and design tools. By using your Rose software, you can also use you can also design a font as per the need of the needed. So here this diagram will specify the composite controls of the blended type, what kind of color you have to provide it for the particular text, what is the text to be placed, and what is the foreground color, what is the background color of that particular text can be erased. And you can also provide multiple colors also, or if the user is needed a single color, you can also use the single colors or patterns. So here you have this diagram will specify the some of the step which has been used for editing process. First you have to take the flower and you have to place the particular image or the flower in the corresponding background. After that you have to select the content or the text to be placed on the particular background. So I am selecting a text as a rose, and after that I will select the color for the particular text. Then in the color of the particular text there will be a option called as blending. So it includes floating and underlaying. So this will help you to provide a multicolor of the particular text. Then you can adjust the particular text size according to the image. Then you can place the particular image on the particular text accordingly. So this is the step which has been included for editing and designing process. So that's it. Thank you all.